Alright, respect. Cool. May I call you back because I have a very important announcement to make. Tell Foota say I give him 24 hours. Somebody call Foota on him phone and say, Foota, Spice says she'll give you 24 hours. You just delete the post. Better him just delete it altogether and finish up with it and nobody say nothing more. Somebody call Foota because everybody have him number and say, Foota, Spice will give you 24 hours. You just delete the post, finish up with it and just apologize and just call it at the end of the whole we move on and go have a Merry Christmas. Please. Because when I have more time, I will come back live. But I give him 24 hours. I'm very busy right now. I love you guys.
Yeah, this is Ashabash representing for Sandy and Bonez TV. More of the people them just like and subscribe our TV. Cause I just a blessing. Manifesting our TV progressing. Yeah, Nyla, scatter.